crema Fit for Men y un rastrillo común, puedes sentirlo en la piel. Fit for Men elimina el vello en pocos minutos, sin cortes y con mayor duración versus rastrillos. Fit for Men, la forma rápida, fácil y segura de depilarse.
Hello?
Listen to me.
Who is this?
We have your son.
They're gonna kill that boy. We're gonna save him.
What is it with your family and secrets? Is there something else going on?
Whatever this costs,
I'm here!
it's worth it.
They're all hiding something.
Nobody knows the big picture, but they will.
One, two.
Te quedó muy rico, Leticia.
Patricia.
Perdón, Leti.
Lo bueno es que existe lo sabroso.
A ti, empresaria, que triunfante libras batallas todos los días. BBVA te da las armas para crecer tu negocio, como un crédito a un clic. Acércate a BBVA. Juntos podemos hacer más de lo que crees por tu negocio. BBVA, creando oportunidades.
No busques más y confía en la garantía Class. Class, los mejores catálogos de México.
Con Easy podrás llevar tu marca a millones de hogares con campañas publicitarias nacionales o locales. Llámanos y descubre el paquete publicitario perfecto para tu marca.
Un problema.
Doctora Sandra Lee, especialista en piel. Episodio estreno. Lunes a las 9:30 en Discovery Home and Health.
400 horas de acción sin repeticiones. 185 películas. 31 especiales.
¿Mucha gente?
Ah, sí.
Estrenos. Sagas. Clásicos. Todos los días de julio.
Ya no digas más. Le entro.
Super Mega Salón Extremo de la Fama. Space. Por... Ya sabes por dónde.
Okay. Who would you do? Janet Reno or Rosie O'Donnell?
What? Are you kidding me?
And death is not an option.
I don't know. Rosie.
Oh, you're a pig.
What? What are you talking about? Rosie, she's alright.
Heads up, Hideo.
Andrea.
So hold on, who would you do?
No time, we're on the job.
What? Oh my God, he got my gun and badge. Go get him.
Can you believe this?
What do we do?
We followed, but we can't blow our cover.
Give back my bag. Oh man. Oh, I'm gonna rip your head off. Oh, your ass is mine.
What is this girl, a track star?
Oh, Jesus. That's what the world's like today, pal. Holy Christ, now I'm pissed.
I think she's bionic, dude.
Holy smokes, yeah!
That was nice.
Jeez, lady, all that for a bag?
It's not just a bag. It's Prada.
Right behind you.
Nice going, Tori. Way to get us sat at the losers table. I thought you had it all hooked up.
Excuse me, I do have the hookup. Don't blame me, blame little Miss Def Jam over here who had to go yo mama on the Vanderbilts. We could be finished in this town.
Somebody had to stand up to those guys.
Hey, they're the way it's always been. Penny, quick. Give me a pack. No, a powder for my nose. Quick. Thanks. Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
Hey.
Karen, hey.
So, I tried to call you, but your number changed?
Yeah, I know. I changed it.
Well, anyway, so I was just wondering if maybe later we could, hello? Where have you been all night? I've been looking all over for you. Ew. Why are you talking to her? Clean it up, Kokor.
Do you have any more of that? Well, don't hate me, because you ain't me.
Can I have your attention, please? Gentlemen, get out your wallets, because you'll be bidding on a date with some of Hampton's most eligible bachelorettes. First up, yours truly. Who wants to start the bidding?
$500.
$500. Okay. Do I hear 1,000?
Well, looks like we're all on the Vandergelt's D list.
$1,000.
Is this seat taken?
Oh no, have a seat. Anyone wish to go higher? 1,500. Okay.
Can you believe this? I mean, they're actually auctioning off women. Would you ever do anything like that?
Well, it's for a good cause.
I think I'm.
Besides, being wined and dined by a rich guy might be nice.
Ah,
Am I here too?
I see. So you like rich guys?
I mean, it might be a pleasant change from all the losers that asked me out.
That's good.
See.
But I think that we can do better than that.
$20,000.
Oh! $20,000. That is a new record. Next to be auctioned is Tiffany Wilson. That's you!
I'm gonna do something.
Excuse me, honey. I'll be right back, okay? Ooh.
Who wants to start the bidding?
$4.
$4. Do I hear 5?
$1,000.
$1,000. Does anyone wish to go higher?
Yeah, I got 2,000 right here.
Oh.
$3,000. $5,000.
Who said that?
Hey,
Okay. $5,000. To the dirty geezer in the back. I'm sure no one's going to wish to go higher than that, so we can just be done with it now.
$10,000.
$20,000.
$20,000. Going once, going twice.
$50,000. Cash.
Sold! To the big black guy, right there. Step right up and claim your prize.
I don't want to go on a date with Buck that.